Hey everybody, Dr. Suzanne Brock, aka Dr. Suze, the CEO at BaBlahBlah. And today we are going to be looking at two features that are going to really rock the group owner's world. We're going to look at the customized landing page or homepage for your group and the @all functionality that lets group owners do push notifications to members' phones. Because BaBlahBlah is group-oriented, group owners can provide an uber professional experience for their members by having a customized landing page. For your group members, this is going to look like this is your app. All right, so let me say this again. For your group members, this is going to look like this is your app. When group members sign in to BaBlahBlah, they will immediately enter your group. This is different than what you experience on Facebook, because when you go to Facebook and your group members sign in, they have to sign into the app and then they have to go find your group. You know that phrase, come find us on Facebook, right? Well, on BaBlahBlah, your group members do not have to search for your group. The group is their destination when they sign in. So let's take a look at this in action. For demonstration purposes, we're going to use ABC Travel Adventures, a secret group, which means no one can see it listed on the site unless they are a member. It's a speakeasy and is literally invisible. You cannot see it or find it without the invitation URL. We will be using Tara Tester as our example member. The invitation URL to join the speakeasy that she's going to use is bablahblah.com/ABC Travel Invite. Now, on a quick note, I realize that this is a little bit long, but I'm going to show you a savvy little trick on how to make this invitation URL link experience more professional after this demo. For this example, Tara has already signed up and is registered and is now returning to the website. I'm using the website because it is easier to demo. You can easily adapt this to the mobile experience. When Tara logs in, the homepage for ABC Travel is where she lands. Using an invitation URL will set that Speakeasy's group's landing page as her home page. So let's take a look at this experience a little bit more. Anything that Tara posts in this group will be visible to all members of ABC Travel Adventures, even if Tara is not friends with these individuals. You may want to think of this as coming in a secret side entrance to a mansion, with your Speakeasy group being the secret side and the rest of BaBlahBlah being a mansion. And let me tell you, it's a big mansion and we have a lot of speakeasies. So when you enter the side entrance, you go into the room with many other guests that have also used that same side entrance or that invitation link. If Tara has just joined the platform, she will be able to interact with all of the individuals in the group that she joined while she is in the group. Now, if Tara goes exploring the mansion and joins some of the other public groups like raunchy memes or basketball, she will still land on ABC Travel Adventures every time she returns to BaBlahBlah. That is her homepage or her landing page, and it looks like this is your app. So to recap, Tara used an invitation link to join the Speakeasy ABC Travel Adventures. When she registers and each time she logs in, she will go directly to ABC Travel Adventures, as that is the default setting when an invitation URL is used. Oh, and FYI, you can change this landing page. If Tara wants to change her homepage to something else, she needs to go to her profile, to the picture, click on the down arrow, select the default homepage, and then choose another group. So if she is in basketball, we could say I would like to save basketball as my homepage. And there it is. And then if she says, okay, basketball season, had enough of it, I'd like to go back to ABC Travel, I can come back and reestablish it. Okay. Now, a short segue here. Know that privacy is a primary focus on BaBlahBlah, and we have designed basically a bulletproof site for privacy. Because of the architecture that I have just shown you, sometimes users think their posts are out for everyone to see. So let's take a look at a different experience, this time with another test user that we're going to call test user, who is not a member of ABC Travel. And also does not have an invitation URL. So test user is coming in the front door. This means no invitation URL is being used. It's just bablahblah.com. When test user logs in, he will see the main feed, which contains posts from all of his friends. And when you start out, Bill Brock and I are your only friends. So if test user goes looking for ABC Travel Adventure Group Speakeasy, maybe he heard about it but doesn't have the URL, he's not going to be able to find it because it's totally secret. So I come over here to groups. I'm going to search groups. I'm going to hit ABC. Nothing is found. ABC Travel. Nothing is found. And there it is hidden. So let me be very clear on something. If you come to BaBlahBlah and you do not use an invitation URL to get into your speakeasy, you're not going to find it. What you need to do is to go back to wherever you found the invitation URL and use it. It's that straightforward. Now, earlier I mentioned that you can have a prettier invitation URL. One way to do this is to register a URL that is basically a front for your group and have it point to the invitation URL on BaBlahBlah. For example, you could register abctraveladventures.com for a few bucks on GoDaddy, and when people use this URL, it can be redirected to the ABC Travel Adventures group on BlaBlaBlah. You don't have to really do anything with the actual abctraveladventures.com, just do a redirect. This provides you, the group owner, with a more professional look on your business cards, email signatures, and the like. So let's take a look. If you can see in that first example, it looks very clean. It looks very professional. Now look out the second one. Not so pretty. So again, like I said, you can have a much professional look. It looks like this is your app, and what a great way to present yourself to clients, customers, and group members. All right, let's move on here. And let's take a look at how group owners can do push notifications to their members' phones without having their phone numbers and without having that annoying machine gun pinging of group chats. Group owners have the ability to send a special group chat message using the @all feature that will ping members' phones once. Everyone in the group will be able to see this message in the chat and to respond in the chat. This is a great function, for example, for check-ins when people are arriving. It lets everyone know they are here without being intrusive. So let's do a little demo on this. On our mobile experience over here, we have the mobile, and we're going to use our friend Bill, and he's going to sign in. He's already signed in, and he's chosen his homepage to be Raunchy Moon. So that is going to come up every time he opens up the app. I'm going to go in here as me. And since I am an owner admin of ABC Travel, I'm going to send a message that we need to move our party. So I come down here to chat now. I'm going to use the @all function, which will notify all in this group. Party moved to Salon A. All right, so I'm going to hit send. This is going to send out to everybody that is in this group, and it is going to ping their phones once. I hope you can hear this. There it is, and there's our notification. So now I come over here, and I see that the party has been moved to Salon A. That is awesome. And I'm going to respond, great. I can see the bubbles over here on the right. We have no ping. And we have no follow-up ping. Kind of nice, isn't it? All right, so to reiterate, you, the group owner, can ping people's phones. It will only happen once with this @all feature, even if they are not on the app. You can push a message, which is much more effective than hoping someone, for example, sees your post on Facebook. So I hope this helps with understanding the beauty and professionalism of a customized homepage and the benefits of the @all push notification. I'm Dr. Suze, and I'll see you over on the fun side.